What is blood clotting? Blood clotting is an important process that prevents excessive bleeding when a blood vessel is injured. Blood clots are healthy and life-saving when they stop bleeding. However, they can also form when they aren't needed and cause heart attacks, strokes, and other serious medical problems. Clotting is a normal response to blood vessel or tissue injury. Where there is an injury and bleeding occurs, the body stops this blood loss through a complex clotting process called homeostasis. During homeostasis, the injured blood vessel constricts to reduce blood flow. Platelets adhere to the injury site and clump together to form a loose platelet plug. During the cascade process, the body sequentially activates coagulation factors, proteins, that produce a net of fibrin threads that weave through the platelet plug and stabilize the resulting blood clot. This clot functions as a barrier to further blood loss, one that stays in place until the injury has healed, and eventually the clot is broken down by the body. Shows positive feedback. Positive feedback mechanism enhance the original stimulus. Blood clotting would be an example of a positive feedback mechanism. Once a blood vessel is damaged, platelets start to cling to the injured site and release chemicals that attract more platelets. These platelets pile up and release until a clot is finally firm. This enhances the body's production of platelets in one area. Therefore, blood clotting is a positive feedback mechanism. Different functions involved. There is a narrowing on the blood vessel, activity of cell-like blood particles that help in blood clotting, and activity of proteins found in blood that works with platelets to help the blood clotting factors. Homeostasis. In order for the body to achieve homeostasis, thrombin induces its own production by inducing the conversion of prothrombin to thrombin until the process of blood clot formation is complete. To prevent loss of blood due to injury to tissues, this is called a positive feedback mechanism because the product thrombin stimulates its own further production.